Welcome to the video tutorial series on inspectiTRAC. My name is Tom Doheny, the project manager for inspectiTRAC at Russell Associates, and I will be your guide. This is the first episode in an ongoing series. In this episode, we'll discuss scheduling inspections with inspectiTRAC Manager, the web-based data management system for inspectiTRAC. I've already logged into inspectiTRAC Manager by directing my web browser to manager.inspectitrac.com. and entering my username and password. You can see my dashboard on the screen. Today I want to schedule a new inspection. I'm going to click on Schedule and then Scheduled Inspections. On the Scheduled Inspections screen, I can view the existing scheduled inspections or add a new schedule. I'm going to click on the link to add a new schedule. My new schedule will need a name. I'm going to call it Monthly Fire Extinguisher because I will be inspecting my fire extinguishers each month. I will also give it a description. Generally, our fire extinguisher example would be part of a larger safety equipment inspection group, but for this tutorial series, I'm going to walk through all the aspects of a simple inspection to give you an idea of how inspectiTRAC and Manager work together to make inspections, audits, data collection, and reporting easier and less costly. Since this inspection will occur on the 27th of every month, I will select the 27th of this month as the start date. I will also note that this schedule repeats every month. You can see that I can repeat inspections by the day, week, month, or year. If it's a daily schedule, I can specify which days of the week the inspection should be completed. I'm going to set the end date for this inspection as 1 year from now. In this area, I need to select the department to which the schedule applies. I'm going to select the demo plant. Anyone who can view the demo plant will be able to see this scheduled inspection. Now I can click on the Save button. This screen is asking for the number of inspections that will occur each scheduled date. If an inspection takes place each shift, for example, I can select the number of shifts here. For my inspection, however, I just want one inspection on that day. For each inspection, I need to select the start time, and I can add a description. In my case, I just have one inspection that's going to start at 8 a.m. In the next episode of this series, I will discuss setting up a notification series, which will use this time to notify my inspectors that the scheduled inspection is due, and will notify me if the inspection was not completed that day. I'm going to give this inspection time a description, and click Save. As you can see, my monthly fire extinguisher inspection is now scheduled to start on the 27th and repeat every month. If I click on the name of the schedule, I see a pop-up window with the details of that schedule. If I click on the Edit link, I can edit the name and description of the schedule, and also the departments that can see the schedule, but I cannot change the date and times for the schedule. If this schedule is no longer needed, I would uncheck this box to make the schedule inactive. I'm going to click on Schedule and View Schedule Calendar to see my new schedule. As you can see, I now have a monthly fire extinguisher inspection scheduled on the 27th. The name is blue because it is an upcoming schedule. As you can see from the key, these names are color-coded depending on their status. Thanks for viewing this episode of the inspectiTRAC video tutorial series on scheduling and inspection. For more information about inspectiTRAC, please visit our website at www.inspectitrac.com.